Hi everyone! In this video, I will make crispy pizza crust using the quinoa butter that I made at my first video. You need quinoa butter, oven tray, ladle, or you can use tablespoon, and the parchment paper. First, you preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 410 Fahrenheit, and then cut the parchment paper to fit oven tray. I usually hold the edge of the parchment paper like this to avoid the paper to roll up. And if you have a ladle, mix the butter with the ladle and make sure butter is touched the bottom of the ladle evenly. The trick of not to split the butter is that touch the bottom of the ladle with the butter before you scoop. And spread the butter like this. And add more butter to make it bigger. Done! And if you don't have a ladle at home, you can use tablespoon too. And use the back of the spoon to spread the butter like this, and add more butter to make it bigger size. It depends on the thickness, but bake 5 to 10 minutes with 200 degrees oven Celsius. And if you have cold topping that doesn't want to cook this pizza crust about 10 minutes until slightly get burned and add toppings. And if you have a toppings that want to bake in the oven, bake pizza crust about 5 minutes and add toppings and bake 5 minutes in the oven again. Okay, so next video I will make quick and easy tomato sauce for pizza. Thank you for watching. I have a same video in Japanese too. Please give me thumbs up, and to watch new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.